I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
What up, everybody? It's your boy Ernest, aka the King Slaughter, out here at Toys R Us, doing an unboxing video of Threadbeast. For those who know who Threadbeast is the subscription service that said streetwear products to your doorstep once a month. I'm gonna leave a website in the description down below. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that post notification button, hit the like button, and comment down below what you want to see next. Let's get to the unboxing. Jesus Christ. Alright, so they send you this and you got that, bro? They send you that. Alright, so the first shirt we got is Braxton. Then we got it on the back. It's an okay shirt. Next shirt we got is a dope with the rose on there. I really mess with this one. I might wear it. Might find something to go with it. You like it, bro? Yeah. I got CJ behind the camera. I'm gonna leave her link down below. Subscribe to her channel. But yeah, I really like this shirt. I'm gonna go ahead and wear it. I'll probably find something to go with it. I like gray shirts. What'd it say? What's that, asphalt? What's that? It said asphalt, I guess. I don't know. Never heard of that before, but we're gonna go ahead and y'all gonna see this in the upcoming video. We got the Ice Cube shirt. Okay. Right, out of Compton. Shout out to my Compton people. Shout out to my California people. I don't really do button up, so that's gonna be a no for me. I'm gonna go ahead and donate this. Give it to somebody else, probably my brothers. I'm not sure. This is gonna be an automatic no. It's no. Heck no.
That's fire.
No. You want it? It's gonna be a no, bro. I can't do it, bro. I don't like it. Nah, that's a no-go.
I am probably wet.
Huh?
I am probably wet.
Amber, if you want this, leave a comment down below. Say nah. Amber, go ahead. I get her. Amber, she want to wear it. I doubt she want to wear it though. We got the shorts, y'all. I mean, nope. Yeah.
Yeah. Tank top, white tank top, all white shoes.
They're a little knee high though. You know, forget it. I probably just I just find something to go with it. Yeah, like she said, tank top and some slides.
All whites.
Yeah, we be good there.
Slang for them. Like if you go to amusement park.
If we go down to the beach, which we will be going to the beach somewhere soon, we'll be wearing this. I'm gonna stay with my slides though. And then the last thing they got me in the box is a hat. Yeah. You like this?
It go with the shirt.
Shorts.
In the shirt.
Yeah. So if y'all like the stuff that's came in the box, make sure y'all leave a comment down below. It's gonna be a little short video, I know, but it's your boy Ernest, aka the King Slaughter. We got CJ behind the camera. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below what you want to see next, and hit the bell notifications for more videos. I'll see y'all. Peace.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.